This clip explains how to buy shares of Electra Battery Materials Corp, ticker ELBM. Electra operates in the battery materials sector and trades on NASDAQ. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy stock, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search and type the ticker ELBM to find Electra Battery Materials Corp. Select the listing that shows ELBM on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to see recent performance. Confirm the page displays Electra Battery Materials Corp and the ELBM ticker before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. Choose market or limit order options if available. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description for convenience.